Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to do an unboxing, and if you haven't seen the other video, go see that now. It's our haul, but we're going to be unboxing all these blind boxes, so yeah. And we also have a special guest. It's Violet, and we're going to get started. Okay, so we're first going to do the Smixky. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but don't mind the long nails. It's not popping. It's not popping.
Show them the choices.
Oh, my bad. These are the choices you can get. And I really want the one with the little dog on it. Can't open this thing. I can't open it. We'll be right back. So we opened it. And please be the dog. Alright. Okay, ready? Dang it. I wanted the dog.
That is okay, girl.
Okay, but that's okay. Choose one. Which one did I get? So I got the one that is like,
What if you got the secret? Wait, what if you got the secret?
I don't know where I got the secret.
Wait, let me see.
There's no secret.
There is.
There is.
Right here.
I'll be right back. I found out that I got the secret. We're gonna do the Care Bear. The one I really, really want is Hope Star or the secret. Can't open it with my long nails. We just opened it.
I'm destructive. Yay!
Okay, so I don't want to see which one I got.
Emotional damage.
I have faith in this one. I got a secret
Which
last
one?
time. Wait, I want the Hope Star or the secret. Please be Hope Star or secret.
Close it.
Wait, is this Hope Star? Wait, I swear, this is Hope Star!
Girl.
No, no way. The one I wanted, bro.
You haven't seen.
So Violet's going to be opening the Dalgona candy.
So there is a lot to choose from. There's umbrella. There's heart.
Yeah.
There's triangle. There's star.
So
That's
we're-
got the heart.
Okay, so we're going to open it now. I'm so excited for this.
I got the heart. I just freaking opened it.
Let me try.
No, I did.
Nail struggles. Oh, I got it. Okay.
We got the star.
This is so hard, bro.
And it also comes with a needle.
So that's really good.
Who talked to me with the heart?
Yes. We'll do another video who finishes their cookie.